Hello everybody, welcome to Getting Started with CloudFormation. In this kind of short video, we're gonna go through our first step with this powerful tool. But what is this? So AWS CloudFormation is a solution for infrastructure as a code. So you can create different AWS resources with configurations using a template file. So in that template file, you will define your resources, and then we'll deploy those resources together as a single unit that is called a stack. So we can deploy them, we can update them, or we can delete the stack, and all the AWS resources created with that stack will be deleted, basically. Well, that depends a little bit on the configurations, but we will talk about that later. So let's jump into AWS CloudFormation. We're going to work using the CLI, and we're going to be creating a template and pushing that template to AWS. So we're gonna open here. In order to do this, we can just start validating that we have an AWS up and running here. Just checking the version, that's fine. In another video, I show you how to configure your CLI, so you can go and check that if it's not ready. If you're ready, then we can proceed to create a template. So I'm using PowerShell here, so I can say new item, and I provide a name, and then I'm create a template using YAML format. And once it's created, I can use atom here to edit the template. And this is the template, it's empty, of course. And we're gonna start with AWS template, yeah, format version. So this is gonna be 2010 0909. And then we can provide a description if we want, like a simple template to create in bucket. Okay. Then we need to provide the resources. So this is basically CloudFormation script. We are defining everything that we need as part of our infrastructure. So we can create resources here. This is the logical name of my resource. It's bucket 1. And this is a type of AWS S3. And we can define properties for this element or for this resource. In this case, I'm gonna use just the bucket name at this moment. We can put maybe my bucket 1 information, so we can identify from where is this coming. I'm just save the changes, and that's it. I'm not gonna go deep. This is just basic stuff. So let's validate the template, make sure the template is working. So we can use for this AWS validate template. We need to provide a template body. This is a file in our case, and it is in the template YAML file. So we validate this, and let's see what happened. Do we miss something maybe? Oh yeah. So I'm sorry. We just put AWS. We need to specify which element now we're using. We're using CloudFormation for this, of course. So AWS CloudFormation validate template, and this is the template that I want to validate. Then I click enter, and everything is fine, no errors here. So I can then proceed to create a stack using this template. And for that, I'm going to use AWS CloudFormation. Now it's going to be create a stack. And of course, we need to provide a stack name. How we're going to identify the stack? We can put maybe my demo. Of course, we need to provide what the template that's going to be used to create that stack. So we add here a template body. This is not template body. This is similar as we did in the previously for the validation file. Then the name, that is template.yaml And so here we go. We got an Amazon resource name, right? So we can actually check this. If you want, we can go to the console here and check in the CloudFormation console and see our stacks. So we should be having a new stack getting created. And good thing to see. Sorry, I'm just in the US West. I'm in the ground region here. So let me just move to the correct region. And my demo stack is here. So the creation is in progress. So everything's fine. We can basically now open S3 and let's see the buckets. So we have six buckets now, right? So we can look for the new one, new bucket, my bucket one CloudFormation. This is the one that we just created. So this is good. That means our stack work. What's the next step? Of course, we can update the stacks. We can deploy new changes that we do to the template. So let's add a change here in the template. Create another bucket, maybe bucket 2. Just make it simple. It's gonna be type is same type, and this is similar. So I just copy paste it here, and this is gonna be my bucket 2 CloudFormation. I can just save changes and go back to the console here, and now AWS CloudFormation. We're not gonna be to we're not going to create a stack. We're gonna deploy the changes we just did. We'll still need to specify what's the stack name that we are deploying. So this is my demo stack, same name. In this case, we're gonna use a template file instead of template body. One second. Okay, template file, and my file is template.yaml, right? So I just use this command and wait for a moment. So this is creating a change set, and then it will be working on updating the stack. And again, we can go back to the console and look what's going on there. So if we update here, we see update in progress for my demo stack. And let's refresh this thing. And now we have 7 buckets. I have my bucket 2. CloudFormation is ready. So what else can we do? We can, of course, delete the stack if we want to. So just for the demo purposes, let's do that. AWS CloudFormation. That's going to be my command will be delete stack. I need to write a stack name, of course. And the stack name is my demo stack, right? And I don't need to provide a file, right? A template file or a template body. I'm just deleting this tag. So let's just try to delete it. I did a typo here. CloudFormation stack, and it's done. Let's see. So when we delete a stack, we should be getting rid of it here. It's not here anymore, and the bucket should be deleted too, because yeah, we're moving from 7 to 5. We deleted the 2 buckets belonging to the stack, and they're getting deleted because we didn't put any constraints to avoid deletion here. We can do that, but we're keeping it simple. So that's it. We have been able to create stack, deploy changes to the stack, and delete the stack. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.